Uncertainty plaguing many families right here in our city as immigration officials make deportation arrests nationwide. And News 12 Brooklyn's Aisha McKenzie has more on these raids and how they've impacted people across the 5 boroughs.
Protests erupting across the country from people fearing deportation under the new administration in Washington. Those fears a reality for some, as over the past week alone, more than 600 people have been detained by the government. Demonstrators in the nation's capital, in Texas and here in New York City, protesting against recent immigration and customs enforcement raids. Last week, 680 people were arrested in New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, Atlanta, and San Antonio. Local leaders reacting to the latest event.
We are going to do everything we can to protect our people here in the borough of Brooklyn and in New York as well.
Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr. releasing this statement saying in part, "My office will continue to work with elected leaders and stakeholders at every level to make sure immigrants in the Bronx and across the city are aware of their rights and protections they need." New Yorkers wanting that protection as well.
Work hard. We don't harm nobody. We just work hard and we try to help everyone. That's what we're here for. We need justice.
The Department of Homeland Security has provided News 12 with statistics on arrests here in the New York City area. 41 people arrested, 38 of whom had criminal convictions. Those crimes ranging from assault with a dangerous weapon to sexual assault of a minor. These arrests coming amid concerns that the new Trump administration would crack down even harder on undocumented immigrants. President Donald Trump commenting on the arrest Monday afternoon.
I said at the beginning, we are going to get the bad ones, the really bad ones. We're getting them out. And that's exactly what we're doing.
Now, it's important to note that ICE conducts, quote, targeted fugitive operations on a regular basis and has for many years. Reporting for News 12, I'm Aisha McKenzie.